Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel again. I want to share with you a moment of inspiration. I just got up and I've been just meditating in my little quiet room. I found myself asking the question, which relationship is most important? Is it the relationship with yourself? Because you got to live in your own skin. Is it the relationship with your spouse, your other half, your wife, your husband? Is it the relationship with your children? Or is it the relationship with other people, family, extended family? Or is it the relationship with yourself and God, whoever you concede him to be, whether it's Allah, or is Muhammad, or is Confucius, or is Jesus Christ, or is God Almighty? I don't care who you call your God, but I'm asking the question, which is most important? Which is the most important relationship? And my conclusion is the most important relationship is the relationship with yourself. Because if you don't love, for instance, yourself, you can't love your kids, you can't love your wife or your husband, you cannot love other people, you cannot love your family, you cannot love God. So the most important relationship is the relationship that you have with yourself. For instance, many people, they talk down to themselves. They don't think they deserve certain things, or they beat upon themselves for making mistakes, or they listen to what people has to say about them, all the bad remarks that are passed, or they live in the shadow and the opinion of others. Well, today I just want to empower you and encourage you. Be in love with yourself first. Encourage yourself first. Because you see, if you don't do that, there are the pressures of life, all the things around you. People can say bad things. I'm talking to adults and to children, to young people. They can say bad things about you, and you can believe it. But we must realize that we don't have to take people's opinion of us. We don't have to live in the opinion of others. We don't have to live our life to suit others. God has given each of us life, and it all depends on what you make of it. So the first thing you owe to yourself is to live the best life that you can. So today I want to encourage you, please be empowered first with yourself. Don't belittle yourself. Don't put down yourself. Don't think less of yourself. When you make a mistake, move on. Get up. It's a brand new year too. It's the best time to start a brand new life, a brand new turnover, a brand new page, as they would say, and to just forget the mistakes of your past. And even when people try to use your past against you, let them continue. But you always be on an upward mobility, trying to make the best of your life. May God bless you today as you strive to be the best you can be and to be in love with yourself first. And after you've loved yourself first and become comfortable in your skin, then you can be able to appreciate others, love God, whoever you conceive him to be,